Here I have some fake OPPO device and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following smartphone. First of all, let's hold the power key to switch off the smartphone. Let's tap power off and confirm it by tapping OK. Okay, now we need to hold down the power key and the volume up at the same time. Release all the keys as soon as the boot mode appears. And here, using the volume up, we need to scroll to recovery mode and confirm it by tapping volume down. Okay, now when the no command logo appeared, we need to hold down the power key and tap the volume up once. And here we are in the recovery mode. Here you need to navigate using the volume up and down button and confirm choices using the power key. Let's choose wipe cache partition and confirm by the power key. The device is now formatting cache, and after that process we can return by tapping the reboot system now. Our device will turn on now, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.